Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to create a music lesson scheduler in Airtable, the 2025 guide. Firstly, you'll want to open up Airtable and create a new base. Click on the Add a Base button and select Start from Scratch. This step sets the foundation for your scheduler. Think of it as building your own digital classroom. Now that we've done that, let's add tables for students, lessons, and teachers. Click the plus symbol to add a table and name it accordingly. This helps us organize the various components of our music lesson scheduler. This step is crucial because it's where we outline all our important data points. Next up, we'll add fields to each table. In students, add fields for name, contact info, and progress. In lessons, add date, time, teacher, and student. In teachers, include name and availability. The reason we do this is to ensure we have all the necessary details at our fingertips, enabling smooth scheduling. Now let's link these tables together. Select the teacher field in lessons, choose Link to another record, and link it to the teachers table. Do the same for the student field. This helps us because it connects all our data, creating a cohesive and functional scheduler. Finally, let's bring it all together by using Airtable's Calendar view. Click on the Lessons table, then View, and select Calendar. This gives us a visual representation of our schedule, allowing us to see at a glance when each lesson is taking place. And there you have it. You've just created a music lesson scheduler in Airtable. With this, you're ready to manage your music lessons more efficiently and smoothly. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.